2 days in a row going to the gym at 6:30 in the morning. It's so early. The sun's not even up yet. There's a dance party over there. Definitely not kidding. That girl who was bumping that music literally is always in the gym joking around and literally like booty popping everywhere, like dancing everywhere to the music that she's listening to on her headphones. And the chick is probably like, I would have to say like in her 40s maybe, but I'm like, damn, every time you turn around she's shaking her booty or dancing. That's a distraction in the gym. And I don't care what guy you are, you're definitely going to be working on go, what? Because you're going to end up looking, because this girl's like, she's like the kind of chick that goes around and she'll talk to anybody and everybody, so she's very friendly. And what she was talking to me about, she was saying her iPhone was jacked up, won't connect to the Wi-Fi in the gym, so she can't listen to her like Pandora radio, but her Android phone works perfectly. Aha, iPhone suck again. It's time for me to go home and eat, take a shower, and then tomorrow, if it's not raining, go to the Airshow, because that's going to be some cool stuff, because they have the Airshow, the Blue Angels Airshow is here in Jacksonville. But the thing that sucks is they're doing it over the ocean, which when you do it over the ocean, that is terrible, because it's hard to see the planes. If they did it at the military base like they did it like 2 years ago, it's actually a lot more enjoyable, because you can hear the commentating, you can see the planes basically like up close. But like I said, it's just funny that this chick always is like dancing around. I'm like, I guess that's cardio for the day. Does voting really matter? I voted for legalization of marijuana and for Donald Trump for president, baby. Hey, what's going on over here? Why is there so many buses? And the main reason why you want to use a George Foreman grill is all the fat gets released from your food, so you're not eating this fat, you're eating actually more healthy because all the fat runs off. I recommend you guys pick one up. Over here making the baked beans delicious, baby. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end result. You just seen, that's how I get down in the kitchen, baby. That's exactly how I cook, and that's how I cook healthy. Use the George Foreman grill. You don't always have to go work out to be healthy. It's all about eating healthy and getting the most protein you possibly can. Especially, I get like, I'm guessing about 40 to 50 grams of protein a day. So that's actually a good thing, just trying to be more healthy, more fit, just get back into shape and eating better. And those George Foreman grills definitely do help when you're trying to cut the fat off the meat, because all the oil just drips down, and it definitely helps. Today's show is being brought to you by Starbucks. Yeah, right? It's only gonna get better. Better not be complaining, people, about the stupid Starbucks green cup. Last year, people complained because it was a red cup. Stop complaining. I decided to get pizza after going to... So I'm here in Jacksonville Beach going to this Airshow, and they got this shit messed up. $30 parking spots. That's a rip. Yeah, $30 to park in a parking lot. life of being white. We're privileged to get burned. Ah ha ha. Get it? We're privileged. If you know what that reference is too. If you don't, then I feel bad. Watch the Blue Angels. Well, that is messed up where they're making people pay $30 for parking. I hate getting sunburned. I can definitely tell I got sunburned at the beach. That's kind of ridiculous. That's kind of like chopper. That's kind of like the chopper handlebars. I kind of feel short because I'd have to run and jump to get into this truck. When it's literally so high that you gotta jump in the truck, your truck is a little lifted too high. Maybe I'm just a short dude and it looks high to me. Going through their shrubs. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys ever go to air shows? And if you ever have, what do you think of them? And if you ever haven't, what do you think of them? Would you ever go if you had the opportunity? I think it's badass what these people can do with planes. But I am walking around the gritty streets of Jacksonville Beach. Seeing a lot of badass bikes out here. A lot of choppers, a lot of bikes. And I keep seeing these knockoffs scooters. Those headlights look stupid on me. They're trying to tell me you can't bring no water that you bought at Walgreens over to the Airshow. I'm like, it's outside. You can't stop people from bringing them water.
To you, it should, because it is
I wear heels to the beach. But I'll say this, camera does not do it justice. It does not do it justice for that, watching the airplanes. The only thing I hate about going to events like this is you have to walk back to your car, which could be like 4 blocks or 5 blocks or a mile parked away, because the further away from the event you go, either the cheaper the parking, or you can find free parking, but now I just gotta remember where I parked. And the funny thing is, I took a picture on my phone to show me exactly where I parked, but my phone died because I was recording at 1080p to get you guys the best image quality. And I keep seeing a lot of Vespas driving by, which is badass. If you don't know what a Vespa is, look it up. Those things are sick. But once you get here to the beach, you get all the like Vespas and scooters and motorcycles, because it's just easy to zip in and out of traffic. But overall, like I said, I had a great experience at the air show. I go every year. I don't think the beach area is as good as going to the actual base. I think the base might have worse traffic just because of the location. They both have bad traffic. But when you go on to the beach area, I think the reason why they're doing it at the beach is because they're saying, well, it's a more general location, which I guess so, but I think when you're actually at the airfield, at the military base, you get to see them very up close, see them taking off, and doing other stuff that you don't get to see when you're just at the beach. I decided to get pizza after going to the air show, but I definitely feel like I'm sunburned. It might look worse on the camera than it does in person, so when I get home, I'm going to look in the mirror and see if I really am as burned as I think I am. But when you're as white as me, you burn and crisp very, very easily.